Hi guys, so I was tempting to film myself, and this is going to be another phone video, so I'm sorry. I got a package and my kids kind of demented the box a little bit, but it is another Skip Hop bag. This has been killing me to open it. I've had it since Thursday. It is now technically Saturday because it's 1 in the morning and I have to work in the morning. Kids are in bed. I finally have some time after cleaning up, and this is going to be a more of a first impressions video and what I think of taking it out of the box. I did not open it, so I'm going to do that right now. Well, my kids semi-opened it. They decided to stand on it. So just 1 second, guys. Way to go flying. Okay, so I got it opened, and so right away I see this nice blue. It's black, of course. Alright, let's pull her out. Oops. Okay, so this is the Skip Hop 8-piece set, fit all access diaper tote, and I am very impressed with this. The bottom of it is like this fake leather. The tag, sorry guys, it's pretty late. Open wide front zip panel. That's what it looks like. Perfect for the active parent. Our ready for anything tote is a diaper bag and food storage tote in one. Every Skip Hop diaper bag has a dedicated stroller straps to attach to any stroller. And those are... Where are these stroller clips? They're kind of a little bit hidden in like this little... Oh my goodness. They're hidden in like this little pocket type thing. It's not really a pocket, but... Well, I guess it is. It goes like that deep. And there's the stroller clips. The one bottle holder, and then you got your change pad in the back. And then, let's read the rest of this tag. Check calls, text through pocket. And then, oh, I ripped it off. Oops. 14 interior and exterior pockets for total organization. Hangs on stroller on the go. Insulated pocket holds the included container set. Translucent pocket to easily check calls or texts. Includes 8-piece container set. And then it's just a little bit of information on that. Warning. All that other stuff. And it's BPA free, PVC free, and pamphlet free. So that is the tag. Alright, so I believe this is the cell phone pocket. It's not really see-through, but And like this, all the zippers have like this really cool grip on them, and then there's a hanging metal toy thing, the tote straps, the magnetic closure flap, and another zipper. I'm really loving this lining. It's royal blue. And then they have a nice lovely clip. I am a stroller strap. Very hidden stroller strap. Even the changing pad pocket has the nice royal blue. And this is the, I'm gonna have to get the scissors again. 1 second, guys. I am so sorry for putting you guys down so many times. I am really excited about this diaper bag. And my first impressions, I am in love with it already. But all these little doodads I have to clip. Sorry. Sorry guys. Okay, so first in this I see the gel freezer pack. I had one of these with my Skip Hop bento meal kit. I just bought the meal kit, but the meal kit I didn't actually have like the diaper bag. Maybe, who knows, maybe that will be my next diaper bag. I'm obsessed with Skip Hop. And these gel freezer packs are amazing. And they keep things cold for a long time. And here is the formula container set. I have other ones, but they're not Skip Hop. The handle's like a nice rubber thing, so I will let you guys know what I think about that. And it's a very deep pocket. And I guess you can stick like the freezer pack in the pocket or just put it inside. Maybe if I put it in the back. Hold on guys. Sorry, this is a really bad video. So I have the, color come back. I have the freezer pack behind this, and I can still put like a couple spoons or napkin, a bib in here. Like, there's still plenty of room. Let's zip that up. And there is the flap. And then there's this clip thing that I can't get with my hand. Okay. And there is the messenger strap. So this is how the diaper bag looks without the thing zipped down. But then there's these two zippers. Oh yeah, and there's a pocket right here as well. More of a mommy pocket. Oh, on-the-go essentials. This is like another thing on my wish list. I want to get another bottle bag because my other one got very nasty. And a wet bag, I want to get one of those. I have two of these on my stroller. They're the grab-and-go stroller saddlebags. I also have the same grab-and-go stroller organizer. I also had one of these and I loved it. I didn't really use it for pacifiers. I used it for like phone chargers. And this is also on my summer wanting list. And I want one of those, but I don't know if there's a point for the Pronto changing station. This grab-and-go stroller tether might actually be good for me. Pretty cool. And that was in the mommy pocket. At least I think this is the mommy pocket. There's no organization in the mommy pocket, but it is pretty deep. I'm really sorry for the lighting, guys. I'm doing this on my phone. Okay, and since it's kind of empty, it's kind of gonna flop over on me. I am really in love with this blue. Okay, wide opening. There's a pocket here, a pocket here. You can also hang a toy off this. This is the food organizer thing. And then there's another pocket here, and another pocket here. And then there is a pocket here, here, and here. And it has the gussets. So this kind of reminds me of the BFF diaper bag, just the way it kind of falls open. So far, I am loving it. I'm thinking I will do a comparison between the BFF and how this bag packs. But this lighting is not, like, it's a very nice blue. I am loving this, and it's an easy wipeable material. It feels very, very well made. Of course, I'm going to have to break the zippers in a little bit. Oh, there's a better view of the blue. I have really crappy lighting. It's 1 in the morning. I can't see me using this clip here. I'll probably use it for like a diaper sack bag set maybe, and then I don't know. But I don't know, it's easy to grab. I'll hang on my stroller very nicely. It's actually, don't mind my messy room. Gotta love laundry, guys. And this tote handles are very long. They are very long. And it does have a messenger strap, which is a plus. So I will do another video packing this bag, and I will put it up, and it will probably be another phone video because my computer just doesn't like me. But I like, even this cell phone pocket, or this technology pocket, whatever you want to call it, it just has, I don't know, it's like a weird fabric. I don't even know what to call this. It's like almost like a mesh, but not. It's like a silky meshy, but it's not see-through. I don't know how to describe this at all. But I am very impressed with this bag. It is very, very well made. Thumbs up to Skip Hop on this, and I will pack this up. My daughter normally carries her Skip Hop unicorn zoo bag thing with her, and that's gotten really badly stained. I'm going to be getting her a new one before her school starts. She wants the Ladybug set, the Ladybug lunch bag, and the Ladybug backpack. Between that and the kitty set, the cat set. So we will be getting her a new one of those because she starts school in September, which is very sad. I'm going to cry, guaranteed. But I will probably see how much I can fit for 2 kids in here, if not 1, and then I will also compare the BFF. And I really don't know what they did with this zipper, but I don't know, it feels like fake leather, fox, whatever the heck it's called. It feels kind of like the bottom of the bag, but I don't know, I like it. And I like the detailing, the gripped zippers. They're like there's like a rubber coating on them. I don't know, I love it. So overall, first impressions, I love this. I can't wait to pack it up and see. I do have to get a new all these tab things. This just comes with your basic, oh come on, basic change pad. Oh, it doesn't have the Velcro on it. So your normal skip hop minus... Did the other ones have Velcro? No, I can't think. All my other diaper bags had like Velcro on them. This is the first one I've had without the Velcro on it. It's weird. But your normal skip hop change pad minus the Velcro closure. I am having a massive brain fart. That's going to bug me now. I have so many skip hop bags and I can't remember now if they all had the Velcro closure. Maybe I'm just going crazy. I don't know. But yeah, it's your basic skip hop change pad. It's a nice size pocket down here for some like files and stuff. And I love how they included the blue lining on the outside. I couldn't get a pink bag. And they had this and like the coral bags. So I went with the black. I have a lot of black skip hop bags. I just kind of wish there was a way where you could just, I guess you could tuck the straps in the mommy pocket, but it doesn't look very attractive. No. So I guess my straps are going to be hanging. But maybe future skip hop will make something more attractive to hide these straps. Because if you really wanted to, if you're not picky like me, in this bag anyways, you could... It doesn't want to work now. You could tuck the straps in the mommy pocket if you're not using it. And it kind of looks something like that. But then your mommy pocket would be left open. And then for the back, you can just tuck the strap in the change pad and kind of like fold it over so it doesn't look so noticeable, because I like the option for the tote, but when you have 2 kids, the messenger will probably be the best. And one other thing, just because I'm crazy like this, since they have this included pocket, if they do that with every bag, maybe make one side that clips off so you can tuck that in the pocket. And then you can just use the messenger straps. Just some ideas, skip up. I love you guys so much, and I love seeing all your guys' bags and everything. But stay tuned for this puppy being packed